Welcome, welcome, welcome to the third game of your Interlodge Mason Basketball League. This is Ludwig Van Magic Man. You know who I am. Our matchup for today is Garden Grove Lodge going up against Torrance University. Welcome to Carson City. Garden Grove Lodge starting with and wearing yellow jersey, Moralida, Crisostomo, Freyna, Sumariñas, and Mangilit. For Torrance University, we've got playing coach Polly, Edra, Blancas, Villanueva, and Benyosa. Benyosa, the lucky charm! Benyosa makes the first basket for Torrance University. When Benyosa checked in the ball game for Torrance University, they got the lead against Brazen Pillars a while ago. So Benyosa is their lucky charm. Huh? They were down on that game by 10. No? Freyna launches. Too strong for Ariel Freyna. They tap it again. Let's see if Torrance University, they are giant slayers here. But Crisostomo, no fear, penetrating that lane. Amazing move for Mark Crisostomo. Well, Mark Crisostomo reminds me of a hybrid Alvin Patrimonio and Ranidel de Ocampo, no? That he can stretch the floor, but he can also attack the lane. Freyna, the pass was too strong from Sumariñas. Well, again, no, for Torrance University, this is again a tall task, no? You look at the height advantage against Brazen Pillars. They are a smaller team, but as they say, no, like Golden State University, Golden State Warriors, no? Playing small balls, no? Small balls. Sorry for that term, no? Baka mabantay sa YouTube. Blancas throws it. Comes up empty for Blancas. Baseline throw. No? Well, again, no? As we mentioned, you cannot measure the heart of Torrance University. Torrance University, despite that height disadvantage against taller teams, they're coming up with a victory. They throw it away. Freyna slows things down, and Freyna will pull the trigger. Put back from Moralida, and Moralida with a follow-up, flexing his muscles against Torrance University. Polly will challenge Crisostomo. In and out for Coach Polly. Playing coach Crisostomo. Again, our committee for today, Brother Harlem Ruiz of Clarence F. Smith Daylight Lodge number 866. And our statistician is Jessel Navalta. Our referees for today, Doug Mickens and Marcus Reed. Polly, wide open. Still unable to hit the mark. Sumariñas will try to counter. Mangilit, top of the key. Comes up short, tracks down his own miss. Mangilit uses the screen from Crisostomo. Runner gets his own rebound again. And that half-court set of J.M. Mangilit. And now Torrance University. 6-2 is our score in favor of Garden Grove. AJ Masorong will check back in the ball game with Abellana and Galion, providing a well-deserved rest for their starters. Crisostomo finds Freyna with a bounce pass. Magnificent play from Mark Crisostomo to Freyna, two-man game. But he recognized the open player there for Crisostomo. Well, this guy is a triple threat. He can score, he can attack, and he can also assist. Blancas, second serving for Blancas. And again, that half-court set of Garden Grove Lodge, they will try to drain that energy again from fast-paced teams. Let's see if they will prevail again using that style in this ball game. Freyna at the middle. Freyna fires. Sumariñas follow-up. Gets his own miss again. The second chance points of Garden Grove Lodge prevailing here. With their big man with their bigs playing here. Sumariñas, Crisostomo, and Moralida. They're clogging the paint for Garden Grove Lodge. And don't forget now, for our viewers, SoCal Ballers 21, if you want to watch the ball game, the replay. So make sure to subscribe and follow. You gotta watch out with your kids, ha? Ang lalaki pa naman ng mga player sa loob, baka tamaan. So Marinas makes the basket. Andito po ba si Brother Win Apaw? Brother Win Apaw, huwag ka muna umalis. Brother Win, shout out Brazen Pillars. That was a good game, by the way. Just a buzzer beater from Alden Sanchez. But anyway, Brother Win, huwag ka muna umalis, ha? Huwag ka muna umalis. Paglalunch pa tayo, eh. Clarence Boyce. Pump fake, takes it closer. Freyna. And against three defenders, Mark Moralida powering his way as he goes to work. Mark Moralida bullying his way in the paint. And he misses his first shot. Brother Win, huwag ka muna aalis, ha. Balita ko kasi manlilibre daw si Brother Aldrin Perez, eh. Nasaan ba si Brother Aldrin Perez? Ayun. Nabalitaan ko lang naman, ha. Nabalitaan ko. Sana totoo yung balita. Okay, that was a turnover from Gab Gaget. Gab Gaget playing inspired here. Releases it. And Gab Gaget comes up short. Ganado si Gab Gaget, no? Andito si Brother Harlem Ruiz, eh. Mark Crisostomo, 3-on-1 situation. Drop pass to Marinas. Back to Freyna. And Crisostomo again short as they fight for that loose ball. Freyna prevailing, uses the glass, banks it in for Ariel Freyna. Well, it seems that Ariel Freyna finally found his team, no? Garden Grove Lodge, back to his mother team. He used to play also for Brazen Pillars, but of course, trade deadline, he chose Garden Grove Lodge. Same thing with AJ Masorong, who is also in the ballgame, no? Former Brazen Pillars also as well. And of course, yours truly, no? The announcer, also former Brazen Pillars. Back to the action. Kicks it out. Abeliana. Way off the mark. Oy, at the middle lang ako, ha? Kita mo naman, at the middle lang. Despite the heartbreak loss, no? Masorong taking care of that loose ball. Masorong sees an opening, kicks it out to Gab Gaget, back to Blancas. And Blancas, 4 points already for Blancas. Using his veteran presence here for Blancas. 4 points pa lang. Fires away for Mark Moralida. So Marinas comes up with the board. Dumlao, Rolly. All net for Rolly from the top of the key. Dumlao, all smiles for Dumlao as they are comfortable with a lead, 15-8. But of course, Torrance University, they know to be in this situation as they have victories coming from behind. So let's see if they can again repeat that win. Freyna, bumping and grinding for Freyna, and Galion, good defense, stopping that play. Abeliana, Gaget with a triangle, back to Masorong, and now cutting the lead down to 5, 15-10 with 9 minutes and 39. Well, surprisingly, no, Alden Sanchez is in the bench, no, probably reserving his strength for the second half. Let's see. Mr. Alden Iverson, no? Gaget. Gaget, with the bullet pass, threading the needle. Gab Gaget to Galion. And look at Gab Gaget playing inspired here. Oh, well, we all know Gab Gaget is inspired whenever Brother Harlem Ruiz is here, no? Former Ilocano boys, no? Let's see. Using the screen, Crisostomo with a spin move. What a beautiful move there from Mark Crisostomo. Mark Crisostomo scoring 14 points in their previous game. He was the player of the game last time. So let's see if he can duplicate that performance.
15, 12.
Mr. Confidence, no? Gab Gaget. From San Fernando Lodge.
May Oasis yata.
Na-Oasis ba? Hindi ko alam. Akala ko nga, Clarence din. Minsan umaattend sa Clarence si Brother Gab eh. Back to the ball game. 16-12. Slowly but surely, Torrance or 18. Or no, 16-12. Torrance University, they are within reach. Let's see if they can cut down the lead. Well, that's the strategy for Torrance University, no? Keep it at bay and give the final punch in the second half, no? Where all of these things matter, no?
Defensive player of the game, Galileo!
Dumlao. Again, that half-court set, that has been the trademark of Garden Grove Lodge. Well, they have been excellent using the half-court set, no? Slowing the tempo because of their height advantage is something that Garden Grove Lodge uses to neutralize their opponents, especially those fast-paced teams, no? Dumlao, Freyna, 2-on-1 situation. Freyna almost loses the handle and unable to dive in. Mark Crisostomo. And in the ball game.
Oh, pagod na sila!
Garden Grove Lodge will call a timeout here. We'll be right back after this timeout.
Waterman.
Dapat yung referee mag-shoots.
Tubig ah.
Ano bro? Ang nagaling yan?
Stop playing ads.
Ryan Cayabyab, no? The maestro pala to eh, no? Ryan Cayabyab, no? The maestro. The musical genius, no? Back to the action. You are watching the Interlodge Mason Basketball League third game between Torrance University and Garden Grove Lodge as John Chua, fresh from the bench, commits a turnover doing some cha-cha. Garden Grove Lodge again navigating their options. Mark Moralida turns around, quick release. And here comes Alden Sanchez, Mr. Offensive Firepower.
Walang tawag yung referee.
And it will remain with Torrance University with 20 seconds left on their shot clock. Chua.
Big.
And it will go back to Torrance University with 5 minutes and 24 seconds left in the first half. Sanchez looking at his options. Finds Gadut, spin move. Tornado. Freyna unable to control the board. Thought about it, takes it closer. Sees no opening, stuck in traffic for Mr. History Kasaysayan.
Mr. History in the making.
5.
And another miss for Torrance University, a chance to increase the lead for Garden Grove. Miso to Cayabyab, goes baseline, and he will be fouled by Gadut. Well, you gotta appreciate Kasaysayan and Gadut in the paint, no? Especially against their game with the Brazen Pillars. Playing against taller defenders, they can manage. Let's see if they can do the same here for Garden Grove Lodge as they will be playing against taller Mark Moralida and Mark Crisostomo, no? And of course, Sumariñas. And Kayabyab makes his first basket at the free throw line. Gab Gaget checks in the ball game. And he splits the cherries, but Moralida taps it back. And another chance for Garden Grove Lodge. However, unable to convert. 3 minutes and 36 left in the ball game, or in the first half. Baguette looking at the zone defense. Chua protecting. Two-man game. And a turnover, unable to catch it. Dumlao will go all the way for Rolly Dumlao. Able to recover it. Gadun. John Chua. Back rim. Dumlao tracks it down. And unable to save it. Kasaysayan. Look at the resiliency of Kasaysayan. Unable to convert though. Freyna. Unable to bend. Leans in for Gadun. Comes up short. Miso on the run. 3-on-2 situation. Miso, Kayabyab. And Kayabyab recovers. Kayabyab with the shooter's bounce. And the maestro himself making that basket. Wide open for Gadut. Joel Gadut, if I'm not mistaken. Natama Joel, di ba? Yeah, I'm correct. 2 minutes and 13 remaining. Kayabyab, Dumlao, Freyna, left wide open, Freyna, back rim, Kayabyab, alley-oop. Again, Garden Grove Lodge, second chance points, Dumlao, all day to shoot. Spins and turns for Gerald Miso. Now it's a 22-14 lead, 8-point game. One-hander for Kasaysayan. Freyna, cross-court. Dumlao, unable to sell the call with the shout. Travis Cruz long. Race and winners, good game. Ron Ramores and rest of the game. And they cut the lead down. 1 minute and 10. First half, Garden Grove Lodge in control. Corner pocket, Freyna. It bounces off. Baseball pass. Alden Sanchez left wide open, and Alden Sanchez will be scoring for Torres University as they are trying to make a run here. Chua or Gaget. 3-man game. And Sanchez drains it.
Down to 3.
23-20. Torrance University again making a comeback here. Let's see if they can complete that run. Pump fake, Freyna against Gadut. Able to stop him. And here comes that run and gun offense again of Torrance University. Alden Sanchez, no look pass. Gadut to Chua. Too strong. Recovers. Gaget. Wide open for Gabriel Gaget. Playing inspired. Mr. Confidence. Gabriel Gaget ties the ball game up 23-all. Moralida tries to answer back. And here comes Torrance University knocking on the door again. Can they grab the lead? And that ends the first half. They weren't aware of the time. And Torrance University ties the ball game up with 23. We'll be right back with the second half. Back to the ball game. This is the second half action between Torrance University and Garden Grove Lodge. We are tied at 23 as of the moment. The game was momentarily stopped because of some emergency of the coach of Torrance University, Coach Polly. Hopefully he's okay and stable enough as Torrance University decided to continue with the play. So we asked them if they wanted to continue or forfeit the game, and they decided to continue as Coach Polly is now stable, so hopefully he'll be okay soon. Hopefully he's watching this game on replay. on So-Called Ballers 21 on YouTube. Garden Grove Lodge. New players entering the ballgame is Rivera and Torres. Torres underneath the basket. And look at the energy by Rivera trying to track down the loose ball. Also, Saison is in the ballgame. Crisostomo uses his wave and length to make that basket 25 to 23. Mark Crisostomo keeping his team alive here. And now they're up by 2. 25 to 23. Kasaysayan pump fake, squeezes himself. Rivera takes away that ball. Saison 3-on-1 situation. And he loses the handle. Torrance University, can they tie this up or they can grab the lead? Let's see. Takes it closer for Benyosa pump fake. Kasaysayan against Mark Crisostomo. Jump hook. Controlled momentarily by Mark Crisostomo. 3-on-2 situation. No look pass. Torres. Drop pass. Mark Crisostomo again. Extending the lead to 4:27 to 23. All 4 points coming from Mark Crisostomo in the second half. Benyosa from behind. And Avellana. Rivera is down as he got hit in the face, but it was unintentional, I believe. Hopefully he's okay, and Rivera is up on the floor. The intensity of Rivera, no? Now this time he is the recipient of that intensity. Shout out Brother Win, Brother Aldrin, and Ateng, of course. Clarence F. Smith Daylight Lunch. Hinihintay natin yung libre ni Brother Aldrin Perez, no? Nababalitaan ko lang naman na lunch. Gab Gaget with the Euro. However, unable to complete the play. Mark Crisostomo. He goes surging. And Ariel Freyna high off the glass for Ariel Freyna, 29 to 23. Garden Grove Lodge soaring with 6 points here. Gaget. Ooh! Finds a way to escape the clutches of the defense. Iba talaga nilalaro ni Gab Gaget pag nandito si Brother Harlem. Biglang kumaganda yung laro ni Brother Gab 29 to 25. Ibang
Dramatic Mason.
ibang enigma ni Brother Harlem. Pag nandito si Brother Harlem, gumaganda yung laro ni Brother Gab One-on-one, Crisostomo. Blocked by Kasaysayan. But Sumariñas able to make that basket. They cut the lead down to 6, 31 to 25. They go to the left side. Abellana pulls the trigger. And Abellana cutting the lead down to 3:31 to 28. Gets his man up the air. Torres with the hook shot. 33 to 28. That was easily converted by Torres. Benyosa, ball fake, able to reach Kasaysayan, stolen away. Garden Grove Lodge, they can increase this lead. Let's see. Behind the back, Crisostomo. Look at Crisostomo maneuvering his way as he gets his own rebound. Let's wait for the referee's cue if we can call a timeout. No? So referees will be giving us the signal with 13 minutes. Kasaysayan at the post, pulling the chair, traveling. Good defense from Saison. Timeout. Torrance University will call a timeout and we'll be right back after this timeout.
Hindi makahinga.
Pero okay na, stable na. Dapat di na siya nag-block.
Hindi, ano kasi tuloy-tuloy lang yung game.
Hindi naman siya naglaro.
Time out.
That was a timeout, right?
Who pulled the time out?
Time out. Sub here, time out here.
Sino nag-pull the time out?
Dito.
Back to the action. You are watching Torrance University up against Garden Grove Lodge. Garden Grove Lodge wearing yellow jersey, while Torrance University donning the white jersey. Torrance University up or down by 7, 35 to 28. Garden Grove Lodge has been in control all throughout the ball game. Well, however, Torrance University was able to tie the ball game up at the start of the second half, but Garden Grove Lodge behind Mark Crisostomo and Torres, regaining the lead back. Moralida misses his first try. Again, this is the best time for us to promote our YouTube page, So-Called Ballers 21 on YouTube. Our referees for today, Doug Mickens and referee Marcus Reed. Of course, our committee, Ludwig Van Magic Man, doing the announcement, commentator, analyst. Of course, we also have brother Harlem Ruiz and Jessel Navalta. As we go straight back into the action, Freyna fires away. Saison taking that ball away, clobbering that board. But Kasaysayan, this time he makes it up for it. Trying to cross the line. Kasaysayan gives it away to Saison. A turnover. Torres pump fake Freyna, and Freyna will not be denied. Ariel Freyna extends the lead down
10.
to 10, 38 to 28 in favor of Garden Grove Lodge. Well, Torrance University now, they were also down by 10 against Brazen Pillars, but they were able to make a run. Let's see if they can weather the storm. Give and go. Turns around, comes up short for Kasaysayan. 10 minutes and 15 remaining. And Galeon is down on the floor. And another turnover committed by Torrance University. Gaget will check back in. Gaget all red today. His face turning red. Probably because of alcohol, no? Coming out of his system. Freyna, Torres, launches from deep. They tap it back away. Gaget on the run. Run and gun offense for Gab Gaget. Finds Sanchez. Sanchez pulls up. He misses, trying to bother Moralida from behind. Abellana with a steal. Pulls the trigger again for Sanchez. Alden Sanchez. All net. As he breaks the bank. And a 3-point opportunity for Alden Sanchez. With 7 minutes and 56 remaining, this is a running time. Remember, we only stopped the clock last 2 minutes. But if the other team is up by 10, it's gonna be still running game. Our next matchup for the 4th game is Men of Targ versus Garden Grove Lodge. It's going to be an interesting matchup. Battle of the Giants.
Back to 10.
41 to 31, 10-point lead being enjoyed by Garden Grove Lodge. Abellana, Gaget, corner, pump fake, baseline, Sanchez against Torres. It bounces, power dribble from Kasay or Gadot. Abellana fires away, but they got the offensive board. Abellana with the fadeaway gets the shooter's bounce for Abellana. You gotta admire the resiliency of Abellana, not giving up on that play. Well, as they say, no, next shot up, no? If you miss, just continue to keep on trying. Because you miss the shots that you don't take. Sanchez, fast-paced offense, and he will be fouled by Mark Moralida. A smart play from Gab Gaget with the reverse and a chance for him to redeem with the free throw. 6 minutes and 20 remaining. Gaget on the line and will shoot 2. And they cut the lead down to 7, 34-41. If he completes this, they can make it to a 6-point game. Gab Gaget
But down 6.
cutting the lead down to 6. 36-41. Mark Moralida all day to shoot, and Mark Moralida, bang! 44-35. Sanchez pulls back, sees no teammates. Looking for his options, finds Galion. Slithering his way, Galion. Everything but the shot. And it will remain with Torrance University with 5 minutes and 10 remaining. Baseline throw. John Chua in the ballgame for Galion. Garden Grove Lodge will play back-to-back against Men of Tired today. Men of Tired coming off from a victory against the defending champs, Freyna. Able to recover and convert for Ariel Freyna, the sharpshooter. And of course, his mentor is watching here, no? Aldrin Perez, no? The mentor of Ariel Freyna. Pulls up for the jumper. Alden Sanchez against 3 defenders. 3-on-1. And he misses for Ariel Freyna. Gab Gaget. Quick release, but Saison secures it. 4 minutes and 16 remaining. Dumlao, team captain of Garden Grove Lodge. 4 minutes and 7. Freyna, they go at the post. Moralida turns around, releases it, and they save it. Saison. Freyna launches from deep. Abellana collecting the board. And Freyna, active hands. Chua decides to take it. Back rim. Behind the back. Sumariñas taking care of that leather. 3-on-1 situation. They use the clock. 3 minutes and 35. Reserving that energy against their next game. Reverse. Sumariñas. No look reverse. They don't get the shooter's bounce. 3-on-2 Sanchez. Can they make a comeback? In and out dribbling. Showing us his handles. Momentarily losing it. Able to recover. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Ariel Freyna from behind. Coming out of nowhere. And outlet Dumlao. Dumlao slowing things down. And Dumlao showboating here for Ronnie Dumlao. And Garden Grove Lodge needs this timeout because they will be playing against one of the top 4 teams in this tournament, Men of Tired. We'll be right back. I-donate man lang yung libre mo dito. Di ba manlilibre ka?
Good game pa rin ha. Bawi tayo. Kala ko mag-isa kayo, di ko. Next time.
Malayo. Traffic 405. Kasi sarado sa ano eh.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please as Aldrin Perez will exit the court. Ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to have you here in our midst, huh? Brother Aldrin Perez. Thank you for your time. Huh? We appreciate you in every single time that you're here. Huh? Back to the action. Thank you, Brother Aldrin Perez. See you at the next game, ha? Tawag-tawagan tayo this week. 3 minutes. Full court pressure being applied by Gerald Miso. AJ Masorong. John Chua kicks it out. Galion finds Gadut, and Gadut, well, that was good team play from Torrance University, sharing that ball very well. And Torrance University this season has been their best season so far out of the 3 years that I've seen them play, no? So far, they've been making the chemistry work for them, sharing that ball, and they find their main man, Alden Sanchez, and everyone is supporting each other. That's the essence of a team. That's the essence of brotherhood. That's the essence of being a Freemason. As Blancas boarding that shot, uses the glass as we go to the last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by Tito Jessel Navarta as he's controlling the clock. Masoro launches. John Chua drains it. Well, don't look now. It's just a 6-point lead, 42-48. Torrance University again making a comeback. That has been their mantra so far. Making a run. J.M. Mangilit is back. Freyna. No opening. Almost a steal from Chua. Mangilit crossover from behind Chua. No look pass. And they throw it away. Kaya Biab recovering it. They will use the clock in their side as they have the advantage. Pressure being applied here as they're trying to harass, but Freyna shutting down any hopes for Torrance University as they extend the lead 51-42 with a 9-point lead. Let's see if they can answer back here. Gadut from the top of the key comes up short. And with 50 seconds left, Torrance University, let's wait for the referee's cue. Substitution. Let's go. Abellana in the ballgame for Blancas. Let's see. One final push for Torrance University and Ariel Freyna again cutting the play away. 44 seconds left. Freyna pulls the trigger and Freyna. Torrance University will call their last timeout with a 9-point lead. No more timeout. According to our referees, no more timeout. No more timeout according to our statistician, sorry.
Dalawa pa sila.
Sila dalawa pa, and for your team, no more. "36 seconds left. This is the last stand of Torrance University if they want to make a comeback. Gadot gets the wedgie, and it will go to Garden Grove Lodge. And it will go possession arrow, Garden Grove Lodge. Possession arrow, Garden Grove Lodge. Full court pressure being applied by Torrance University as they just need to hold on to that ball, and the victory is theirs for the taking. Ariel Freyna stretches forth with that layup. Chua, Gadut, wide open, and Gadut knocks it down. 6-point game. Let's see if they have some Reggie Miller in them. 6 points in 6 seconds. 8 seconds, Mangilit crossover. 5, 4 seconds. Torrance University. Can they pull a Reggie Miller here? Let's see. 6 points in 4 seconds. Will they make a comeback? Abellana. And that ends the run of Torrance University, splitting the victory 1-1 to this day against Garden Grove Lodge. Garden Grove Lodge able to take control against Torrance University. That ends the matchup. We'll be right back for the 4th game. This is the Interlodge Mason Basketball League.